A woman called my office yesterday in tears, absolutely in tears, beside herself, because she was very unhappy with the relationship she had with her current divorce lawyer. She felt like misunderstood. She felt that the person didn't have her back, and she was wondering if it was really okay to change attorneys midstream. Now, of course, people change attorneys midstream all the time, but wouldn't it be great if you didn't have to do that and if you could pick the right lawyer the first time around? I'm Catherine Miller, and I've been a divorce attorney in New York City and New York State for over 30 years. And I put together some tips for picking the right divorce attorney the first time around. I'm going to give you three of them, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to download a PDF that has 9 tips. All right, ready? The first tip is know what you want and understand your options. Now, I know you probably don't know what the law is around the issues that you have to resolve. I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking about what is it that's really most important to you, that's about yourself, not about your soon-to-be ex. What is it, and how do you want to get there? What kind of process of deciding the things that need to be decided do you want? You don't need to have a name for it, but you need to be ready to talk about it. The second tip is interview at least 3 lawyers. And yes, I know that's a pain in the neck, and it might even be expensive because these might be paid consultations, but you will get a real education on the different ways in which the attorneys are going to approach you, most importantly, you and your case, your matter, what needs to be done, and what the options are that they offer you. Those are really important things to know. And the third tip that I'm going to give you in this video is to talk to other people who've been divorced, not people who think they know something about divorce, but people who've actually been through the process. Now, they might not have the best advice for you to tell you what to do, but understanding what their experiences are and have been, what they would avoid if they had to do it over again, that's a really good question. And what they think they would do if they really did have to do it again, that's a really good question to ask them and a great conversation to have. You'll learn a lot. So if you're interested in the other 6 tips, click on the link below, give me your email address and your name. I'll be happy to send it right over. Thanks for listening.